Hey everybody, Eric here from iKamper, and today we're going to be taking a look at iKamper's newest rooftop tent, the Blue Dot Voyager, or BDV for short. Having been with iKamper for years now, I've had the chance to experience all of our rooftop tent models, from the SkyCamp series to the XCover series, and now I'm really excited to introduce you guys to our wedge style tents. The BDV is going to be coming in two different sizes. Right here we're looking at the BDV Duo, which is a two-person tent, and then this tent is also going to be coming in a solo version. The Duo is weighing in at just around 150 pounds, and then the Solo is going to be coming in just under 130. At 7 inches thick, this is our slimmest rooftop tent, and 90 inches long gives you great comfortability when you're sleeping. One of the really awesome features here is that this is the world's first fully DIY tent. So this model I actually put together in our warehouse. It took me just around 4 hours, and I was incredibly happy and impressed with how it all came together. And it really allows you to understand all the parts and components that go into your rooftop tent. Another awesome thing that you're gonna see here is the EXO Shell Design. So this is gonna be reinforcing our tent construction and allows for a lot of extra features to be added onto this tent. Some of those features are gonna be a hardwired solar panel that's gonna go into the back here with wire ports that go through to connect to your battery and your controller, as well as the ability to store extra gear in the front here with the load-bearing design. These gas struts are gonna let you carry up to 100 pounds fully assisted when you open this tent up. Opening up the BDV is about as easy as it gets. All you're gonna have to do is come around back, undo these two clasps, give it a little push, and the gas struts are gonna do the rest. One of the other great things about having a wedge style tent compared to our SkyCamp and our XCover series is that you're gonna be able to put the ladder in 3 different locations of your choosing. No matter what your setup is, we have T-track channels here that allow you to put your ladder mounts on all 3 sides of the BDV. Coming around to take the ladder out, this ladder is easily able to be carried in your tent. Honestly, I like to keep mine in my truck. We have some easy push pin ladder mounts here. Heading up into the tent here, one of the first things you probably noticed when I popped the tent is this little elastic band. This is simply here to assist you in opening and closing the tent. Once you've done that, all you gotta do is pop it down here, slide it along the rail, and it's out of the way. As we're up here, one of the first things that you can see is this nice canvas. So this canvas is made from 65% recycled poly material, blended in with organic cotton, and then an eco-friendly DWR finish. So you're good to go in any condition, and you're helping the planet. Looking inside the tent, the BDV is coming with our ultra comfortable mattress that comes in all of our iKamper series, as well as the option to upgrade to both our RTT Comfort and RTT Sleeper systems that are custom cut sleeping systems that will fit in the BDV here, as well as allowing you to have some additional storage on top. As you notice here, right now we have our entrance awning rainfly material pulled back with our awning tensioning system. It's a very easy system that's simply 2 strings that all you have to do is go in, cinch them down, and you're good to go to let the sunshine in if you'd like. At the same time, if the weather ever gets a little nasty or you want a little bit of shade, we can easily pop this out, put our extension poles in, and you're good to go. We are really excited to offer you guys this new wedge style tent, the BDV Duo and the BDV Solo. This tent is gonna come, like I mentioned, in the DIY version as well as a fully assembled version. With the DIY, you're gonna get a bit of a price break. So we're really excited to hear the feedback from you guys on this, excited to see everybody put this DIY tent together, and we will see you out there.